Hi guys, welcome back to the data journey. So in this video, we're gonna look into the roadmap of the data scientist or the machine learning engineer. So we're having four sections here. In the first section, we're gonna have Python and the NumPy, and in the second section, which is data wrangling and the exploration, we're gonna have pandas, data cleaning, statistics, and visualization. And when it comes to the machine learning, we're gonna have this uh, algorithms, scikit-learn, and we're gonna learn how to evaluate the models. And when it comes to the final one, which is version control and the portfolio, we're gonna have, we're gonna learn GitHub, and we're gonna learn how to showcase our projects. Stay tuned for the clearer explanation of these four sections in this channel.